Welcome to our video on the healthiest seasonings in Indian cuisine. Spices and herbs are an integral part of Indian cooking and can add both flavor and nutrition to your meals. In this video, we will explore the healthiest seasonings in Indian cuisine and how you can use them to create delicious and nutritious meals. Number 1. First up on our list is spices. Cumin is a commonly used spice in Indian cooking and is known for its digestive benefits. It contains antioxidants and is also a good source of iron and manganese. Number 2. Turmeric is another popular spice in Indian cuisine and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have a range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving brain function. Number 3. Coriander is a versatile herb that is used in both fresh and dried forms in Indian cooking. It is a good source of vitamin C, phosphorus, and potassium and is believed to have digestive benefits. Number 4. Black pepper is a commonly used spice in Indian cuisine and is known for its ability to improve digestion and enhance the absorption of nutrients. It contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Now we move on to the herbs. Number 1. Curry leaves are a staple herb in Indian cuisine and are used to add flavor to a variety of dishes. They are a good source of vitamins A and C and are believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Number 2. Mint is a refreshing herb that is commonly used in chutneys and salads in Indian cuisine. It is a good source of vitamin C and has been shown to have digestive benefits. Number 3. Basil is a fragrant herb that is commonly used in Italian cuisine, but it also has a place in Indian cooking. It is a good source of vitamin K and contains antioxidants that may help protect against cellular damage. Number 4. Fenugreek is a herb that is commonly used in Indian cooking and is believed to have a range of health benefits. It contains antioxidants and is a good source of iron and fiber. In conclusion, adding these healthy seasonings to your meals can not only enhance the flavor but also provide a range of health benefits. Whether you are cooking a vegetarian or non-vegetarian meal, there are plenty of options to choose from in Indian cuisine. So why not try incorporating some of these seasonings into your cooking today and see the positive impact they can have on your health? Thank you for watching.